In this training video, I want to teach you step by step how you can register a domain name, okay, which is a website address like www. Then it could be your name, .com, .org, .net. Buy these domain names for very, very cheap and then list it on the top sites, marketplace sites for sale. I'm going to show you step by step how it's all done, how other people are doing it. I'm going to show you how to find these domain names where you can buy a domain name for very, very cheap with a rich keyword inside, and then you can list it onto the top website. I'm going to share the top website where you can sell these domain names and website address, and I'm also going to show you how you can automate this entire process using AI. So let's dive into this video. Now, I'm on a website right now. This website is called Namecheap, okay? This is a website where you can buy domain names, website addresses, okay? And you can register your domain name. So right now, I just typed in one of the domain name, which is already taken. You can see here, this website address is already taken. But if I want to type in something like, let's just give it a try. So let's just go here, type in Bransfield Onshore. Let's see if this website address is available. Okay, so it's bransfieldsonshore.com. Yes, it's available down here, as you can see. Okay, let's just wait for it to load. So you can see here, down here, bransfieldsonshore.com is available. British pounds is going to cost me £8 per year, which is approximately $12 per year. So yes, I can buy this domain for just $12 per year, which is very, very cheap. All right, but what about if I want to buy this website address and then I want to sell it with profit? Is there a possible potential profit margin within this domain name? So there are a couple of things you need to look into before deciding to purchase this domain, if you are purchasing with the purpose of selling it with profit. Number one, there has to be some rich keyword inside this domain name. Okay, a rich keyword is like, for instance, you have a domain that's related to funnels and the domain is called funnel.com. Now, funnel is a very, very rich keyword. So if someone purchases a domain like funnel.com very cheap, he definitely can list it on websites, and there's a very huge potential for someone to purchase that domain, and you can make a huge profit potentially, right? So first of all, there has to be some rich keyword. When I look into this domain name, I can't see any kind of rich keyword in bransfieldsonshore.com. I can't see no rich keyword inside where someone will actually think, okay, I can buy this domain name and I could build my company around this website address. So that's number one. You need to find a domain name that has a rich keyword. Now, that rich keyword doesn't have to be in English, in your language. It could be a rich keyword based on another language, another country, okay? So that's number one. Number two, what you want to do is when you find a domain name from here, you want to go to this website here, okay? And then you want to copy and paste that website to see if there's any kind of value. So I'm going to come here and I am going to paste it in, and let's see what this have to list. So you could see here there are three fields: auction, marketplace, and brokerage. We don't want the brokerage, okay? We are just interested in the auction and marketplace, and the marketplace is dependent on auction. So if there's a price on auction, then we will look into the marketplace. If the auction price says 0, then we don't care about the marketplace, whatever the price is here. So first is the auction. We need to look into the auction. Is there any kind of price available for the auction? If there is, then we want to look into the marketplace. That what is the marketplace listing that I can potentially put this website as a listing on these top websites with a price. Okay, we just interested in these two, and this one, marketplace, relies on the auction. As you can see here, if I purchase this domain that I just checked, okay, for like $12 a year, there's no, the auction price is 0, the marketplace price is 0, which means I can't make any profit, okay? So we're going to continue to do our search, finding for a domain name that has a rich keyword inside, like funnelbeauty.com or something like rich keyword inside. Find it for very cheap so we can list it on top websites like this one here. As you can see, this is the one of the top websites to sell your website addresses and domain names, called Afternic. Okay, look at the searches that they get over like 125 million monthly searches. So you can list your website address here and people will search for it. Okay, so this is the top website. Now if you do this manually, looking for domain name where you can find it very cheap, then coming to this website to see if there's any kind of value for it, it's going to take you a lot of time. It's going to take you a lot of time. It can take you hours, sometimes even days and weeks, okay, if you do this manually. Because first you need to find a rich keyword, a keyword that has a lot of value. Second, then you need to find a domain name around that keyword that you can come into that is still available, not taken, okay. And then you need to check whether it's going to have a value in the auction and in the marketplace so you can list it for sale. Bear in mind that even though if you have found a domain name with a rich keyword inside, it's got a very huge value and a potential profit, just listing it on these top domain selling websites does not mean that you're going to make a profit, you're going to make any money, you're going to get a sale, or someone's going to purchase your domain. There's no guarantee, no promise, okay? It all depends on the keyword, it all depends on the domain name, and it all depends on the person who's searching for that type of domain name, whether he wants to buy the domain name or not, okay? So this is one of the ways where the top people are making money online, where they are actually buying these cheap domain names, registering it, and then selling it for profit by listing it on these top websites. But just because other people are making money does not mean that you're going to make any kind of money, because this all depends on the domain name, the value of the domain name, and the listing, etc. Okay, so there's no guarantee and no promise down here. So like I said, if you do this manually, it's going to take you time. What about if there was a way where you can automate this entire process using AI? Okay, AI does all the heavy lifting for you. AI will give you these type of top hidden gems, small cheap domain names every single week, okay, for cheap, which you can find very cheap, register it for a cheap price, and then list it on this website. And also you will be able to verify those domain names on this website to see if there's a kind of profit. Okay, I'm talking about a program that will do all the heavy lifting for you, a program which you can get these cheap domain names, okay, check the valuation if there's any profit, then if you see some valuation, copy that domain, paste it into this website to see if it's still available, and then you can purchase those domain names very cheap, and then you can list it on the top websites for a potential profit. This program does all the heavy lifting for you. They give you once or twice a week, they update this whole entire list of domain names, which you can get for very cheap, and then you can flip it for potential profit. Okay, so this is the website. You come to this website here, you're going to watch the training video here, it all explains everything. Then there's another training down here that explains everything here, and then they are listing all these cheap top high price domain names which you can find and get for very cheap, and then flip it for potential profit. They are updating this list once or twice every single week, and all the heavy lifting is done for you. So let me just give you a quick example. Look at this one here. This is a website here. I'm going to come to valuation here to see what's the value of this website here. Okay, so let's just check it quickly. Alright, so you can see the auction price is $119. That means I could list this website for sale for minimum $45 to $119. Marketplace value is $1,410. At the bottom it says that I can list it as a marketplace value for $707 to $2,120. Okay, what is the price of this? So let's just come here, let's paste it in, and let's see if there's any kind of, if it's still available, and if it is it cheap to purchase this domain. So let's just paste it in, and let's just see what we can find. So we can see this already domain is taken, okay, and the people who takes these domain are those people who have already access to this program. Because they have access to this program, they know the value of a domain name, buying a cheap domain name and flipping it with a potential profit. So they come to this website quickly. These addresses are listed once or twice a week. They come, they see the value of the domain name, they quickly purchase it and register it on their name, and so they can make a potential profit. So you can see this domain is already taken, and I can guess who probably took this domain. One of the person who's already have access to this program. Okay, so this is a program that does all the heavy lifting for you. You can get access to this program where you can actually get access to this top hidden gem cheap domain names, okay, which will give you these cheap domain names. You can check it out, verify if it's still available, and verify if there's any kind of potential profit with this domain name by coming to this website. And then if you want to, you can purchase this domain name and then list it on the top websites. One of the website is Afternic. So this is a brand new way to make money online. A lot of people are doing it. Yes, there's no guarantee, no promise. Disclaimer, just because other people are making money does not mean you're going to make money. Just because you found a very, very good cheap domain name, and you found a cheap domain that has a very big profit margin, potential profit margin, and you checked it out, you verified it, and you listed it on the website, does not basically mean that someone's going to purchase the domain name, because purchasing is required for you to make a profit. If someone doesn't purchase the domain, you're not making profit. Just because it's a good domain does not mean that someone's going to purchase the domain, someone's going to buy the domain. It all depends on a lot of things and a lot of factors. Okay, so if you really are interested in having something like this and you want to tap into a brand new way to make money online, and you want something like this where you can automate this entire process by having access to something that's going to give you these kind of top hidden gem domain names every single week, okay, where you can find out if this find out the price and see if there's any potential profit, then I do recommend this. You can check it out yourself. It's a very good program, and it's a program that gives you these domain names and update these domain name lists using AI. Does the heavy lifting for you, so you don't have to do all of this manually. And this is a brand new way for you to make money online, an alternative way where you can make money online. But remember, every business requires risk-taking. Every business requires risk. Okay, so just because it's a brand new way to make money online, and just because it is a proven way to make money online and people are making money online, does not mean that you're going to make any kind of money.